to simply wish for any festival, you can say Frohes Fest. Frohes Fest. Fest stands for festival. Or in particular, you can say Frohes Diwali, Frohes Pongal, or simply Frohes Fest. The other important festival celebrated in Germany is Easter. So we wish them as Frohe Ostern. Frohe Ostern. And next, the very important greetings for every person to wish somebody on their birthday. Yeah, Puttinaroju Shubhakangshalu. How do you say that in German? Alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Or Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. Don't you all sing the birthday song, Happy Birthday to you? So in German, zum Geburtstag viel Glück, zum Geburtstag viel Glück, zum Geburtstag, zum Geburtstag, zum Geburtstag viel Glück. So wish your friends next time, surely in German. Now going ahead with die Mahlzeiten, the meal timings of the Germans. Frühstück. Frühstück. The early piece of bread what you have, that is called as the breakfast. Frühstück. Mittagsessen. Mittagsessen. Mittag is afternoon. Essen is food. The food had during the afternoon time is the lunch. So it is Mittagsessen. Abendessen. Abendessen. Abend is evening. The food taken in the evening is called as Abendessen. That is literally the supper. Abendessen. Or they also call it as Abendbrot. Abendbrot. So friends, I guess you have got enough amount of vocabulary to build up your basic German sentences. So try and start building up your own sentences, wishing your friends in German, congratulating them, or asking them when is their birthday, or what is today, what is tomorrow, what is day after. Yeah, have fun in learning German. See you.